Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. Today I'm going to show you how to install this Extreme Duty Vinyl flooring for your pontoon from pontoonstuff.com. So this is just a nice, hard, waterproof, super durable surface, and then a felt backing, which is going to allow us to adhere to the wood better. And this roll is a hair over 8.5 foot wide. We're just going to unroll it all the way out. I've already swept the deck. Because this is thinner, I did make sure that all my seams were sanded nice and smooth. So I'll clamp it just offset to one side. And then I can take my PVC pipe and I'm gonna roll the length of the boat and I'll clamp the back just like this right over the transom. And then just like we do on the woven vinyl, we're gonna roll this back. We're installing this today with the DeckMate DM9080 adhesive. This you can trowel on. You can also paint roll it on. It's a little thicker consistency, but it does work well with a paint roller as well. That's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump this glue out so I can spread it evenly. I dumped my glue into kind of a center line. I'm going to start by just spreading it a little bit so we break it up, and then I can spread it all the way to the vinyl and all the way to the end. We are ready. We're going to set the camera down for a second. It's really best, especially on this big of a boat, to flip this back over with two people. I'm going to take a nice fresh box cutter or razor blade, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'll put a little force down with the blade, and I'm gonna cut it to where my vinyl is nice and flush with the deck board. If you wonder what staples I'm using, these are Aero brand T50 staples, 1/2 inch stainless steel. We've got that side glued and stapled. We're gonna go ahead and take our clamps and boards off, and then we're going to apply another couple gallons of glue to the other side, roll that with the paint roller, put the floor down, roll it out, staple it, trim it, and we're done. You can just see that edge. We're going to hit that glue again with the paint roller, so no worries there. We'll go ahead and dump a couple more gallons on. This is a great affordable option for boats that are going to be fished on a lot. They're going to have animals running all over them. This is waterproof, it's thick, it's heavy duty, doesn't have the cushion of the woven vinyl, but it's another great option for your pontoon boat.